All right, it's going.
Okay, so who's running the meeting today? Is that Michael again or somebody else?
Yeah, I can. Okay, so question 3. Oh, son of a gun. It says, when you're taking a sample size of n equals 5, what does the shape of the distribution means? Histogram when the parent population is right skewed. What the heck?
I know it's not normal.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's going to be skewed right, just like the parent.
Really?
Sounds good to me.
Okay. 4. When you're taking a sample size of n equals 100, what is the shape of the distribution means? Histogram when the parent population is skewed right.
I think it's normal.
I think is it normal because it's greater than the 30 or whatever, or it's a bigger,
Yeah.
larger number.
Yeah. Normal.
Yeah, normal.
Okay. Okay, when you're taking sample size of n equals 5, what is the shape of the distribution means? History of the parent population is normally distributed. I can't read.
I'm not sure.
Anytime the parent population is normal,
Yeah.
the other one's going to be normal too.
Even if it's
No matter.
the smaller number.
Yeah, even with the smaller number, it's still going to be normal if the parent one is normal.
Okay.
Oh, really? Okay. So then for 6, same thing as normal, even though it's a large number.
Yeah.
Mhm.
All right. So 5 and 6 are normal, and 7. When would the distribution means be normally distributed?
Oh, I hate these choose all correct ones.
I think so. Data are drawn from population as normally distributed, and the sample size is large. I think that's one of them.
Okay, so what are the two things that make a normal distribution?
It says,
if the sample size is large.
Yeah. It's drawn from a normal population.
When X is normally distributed, or when it's a lot larger than 30.
Yeah.
Yeah, so when it's normally distributed, whether it's small or large, and then when it's large. So it'd be 3 check marks, is that right?
Yes.
I don't know. Which one? Okay. So data drawn from a population is normally distributed at the sample size is large.
Maybe, I think it's B or B and D.
I'm pretty sure it's A too.
Or A, B, and D.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the only one we're not clicking is data are drawn from a population is right skewed, and the sample size is small. Okay.
Right, that would not be normal.
Gotcha. I just want to make sure I'm on the same page. Central line.
Okay, 8. Which of the following gives the best explanation of the central limit theorem? Great question.
Okay.
I think it's D.
Yeah, I think so too.
Central line theorem states that if the sample size is large, the sample mean will be approximately normally distributed.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, use that following information to answer the next 4 questions. For 9, what is the mean of the distribution of a sample means?
Okay, X is a random variable with population mean 10 and standard deviation of 6. Sample the size of N is drawn. Okay, well, how do we know the mean of the mean doesn't change. The mean is the same, right?
Yeah.
Mhm.
And
So 10.
okay. So it also gives
What
us
is
the
the standard deviation? Oh,
So we just have to input it? That seems too easy.
Well, for the mean doesn't change, but the standard deviation does.
the 6.
The standard deviation isn't 6.
The standard deviation, there is that equation. The standard deviation of a sample is the standard deviation divided by the square root of the number of samples.
So 1.
So I got to get out my calculator. The number of samples is 36, so the square root of that is 6. So yeah, 1. No calculator needed.
Okay, 1. Regardless of the distribution of the population, if the sample size is large, meaning greater than 30,
Normal, right?
what would be shape the distribution of the distribution sample mean? Normal, yeah.
Yes.
And then what theorem would justify response to the last question? The central line theorem, limit theorem.
Okay, well, these are the two theorems the law and the theorem, they really wanted us to be able to tell apart. Do you guys know the difference between them?
Not really.
Okay. So the law of large numbers says that as the sample size increases,
Mm,
the standard deviation gets smaller, and the sample mean gets close to the earlier mean.
okay.
And the central limit theorem says that if the sample mean will be normal if the size is sufficiently large.
Okay. Well, when did
Wait,
you, wouldn't it be law of large numbers then?
No, I'd say it's the central limit theme because that's the one that said
greater
if the
than
sample
Yeah.
size is large.
Large.
Sorry,
I'm
I'm just
slow, guys. I'm
reading off my
sorry.
notes again. That's
I'm
all I'm
sorry,
doing.
guys.
So if my notes are wrong, then
No, you're probably right. I'm just not really good at this stuff.
All right, we got 100%.
sweet. There was one other thing we needed to look at in the individual preparation. 7E. Sorry, Michael. 7E in the individual preparation, we were supposed to compare our answers and see what we noticed. I don't know if you guys already did that or if you just want to compare really quick so we can say, yeah, we did it.
Okay.
Let me pull it up.
So I guess the question is, what was your 7A, your mean?
7A.
I ran out of time and didn't get to the last two questions.
Okay, no problem.
So I didn't do that one either. I guess I didn't.
Okay, sorry.
It's okay. I don't think
You're good.
All right.
Did you do that
How
one,
did you do
Emily, or
that one?
no?
I don't think I did it right. I don't know. I didn't even write down. Can you like go through how you, I guess, found it? So you just picked 5.
So I went to random.org or whatever the place is. Yeah, random.org that they say in the directions there.
Oh,
And just got 5 random numbers and then connected those to amounts and just find the mean of
and got
those.
the mean out of it.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Gotcha.
Yeah, I don't really have anything to compare with you.
Okay, that's fine.
I'm sorry. I'm just like this stuff. After I like meet with you guys, I like go back and like make sense of all of it.
hmm
So, 'cause I'm just not as fast as you guys. So,
Okay, then don't worry
Hey,
about it.
do we have a test soon?
Yeah, next week.
I'm so nervous.
Probably start studying.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it opens like midweek sometime or Tuesday. I don't know. I have another test that I'm taking on Tuesday, so I'm not worrying about this one until after that.
Yeah. What test you have
What
to
class
take?
you got for?
The econ.
Oh, dude, that class is stupid.
Which econ are you?
The 150.
It's cool, but in was it Connect? I mean the questions they ask in the homework and the quiz, I feel like are so overcomplicated that it's hard to even understand the question at times.
Yeah, I feel like I got a grasp on the information, but I'm a little concerned about what they're going to throw at me for the exam. So I'm
Yeah.
studying that until for the next week, and then I'll work about this.
I enjoyed macro a lot more than micro.
Yeah,
Oh yeah.
give me something to look forward to then, huh? Have you guys, while we're on the topic of classes, have you guys taken the second accounting class yet, or do you have to?
No, I'm in financial
have.
accounting right now, which is
Ooh,
also
ouch.
stupid.
The 201?
Is that
No, it's fine. I just feel
good?
like I'm taking it in class. That's my only class. The rest is online, and it's not worth it to take it in class. So, because all the homework's online still, so I feel like we don't
Who's your
make
teacher?
Brother Packard. So it's good, but it's almost like he knows too much, and so he doesn't know how to simplify it for
Yeah.
us at times. You know.
Gotcha.
I
Yeah.
took it from Brother Snow. Man, he's the best. I liked him.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Well, I took the 201 last semester, and everybody online complains about that, but nobody talks about the second one. So I was just curious.
Yeah, I heard managerial
It's a lot-
isn't too bad.
It's a lot different though.
Yeah.
Second
Okay.
one.
Well, anyway, do you guys have any other questions about this stuff before we depart?
No, I'm good.
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay. We did
I
forget
just
to have
need
an
to go back
opening prayer. Do you guys want to have a closing one
Oh.
instead?
Oh,
Oh sure. Do you want to give that, Kaden?
Sure. Ready?
Yep.
Father in heaven, thank you for this day. Thank you that we were able to get together and review some of our homework and that we were able to do well on the quiz. And it's blessed that we will be able to prepare for the test next week and do well in this class as well as our other classes. And thank you for all the blessings we have. And I say these things in the name of Jesus Christ. Amen.
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 All
Sweet.
right, guys.
All right, I'll go and submit this.
Okay.
Awesome.
Thanks.
All right.
Or whatever.
See you guys on Thursday.
See ya.
Yep. See ya.